Imagine a marketplace where money itself is the product. People buy dollars, sell euros, swap yen like they're trading Pokemon cards. Welcome to Forex, where your emotions are your biggest enemy, and the charts never sleep. I'm from NovaCap, and today we're going deep into how to trade Forex, make money, understand trading lingo, and maybe not cry over your trades. Trading Forex is basically buying one currency while selling another. Think of it like a seesaw. When one currency goes up, the other goes down. You want to ride that seesaw in your favor. Example, you think the euro is about to flex its muscles while the dollar is slacking. You buy EUR USD. If the euro pumps, you profit. If the dollar comes back swinging, well, your account might feel like it's doing somersaults. The key? Don't just guess. Observe trends, watch liquidity, follow smart money, not TikTok gurus. Money in Forex comes from price differences. Buy low, sell high, or sell high, buy low. Easy? Sure. Profitable? Only if you know what's happening behind the scenes. Here's the fun part. Big banks, hedge funds, and governments move the market. Think of them as heavyweight boxers in a ring, and you're a sparring partner. Sometimes you dodge, sometimes you get tagged. So the strategy isn't luck. It's study, risk management, and patience. You're not flipping burgers, you're flipping currencies. The market's like a crowded dance floor. Everyone's moving, and if you follow the crowd blindly, you'll bump into the wall. Smart traders watch liquidity zones, support resistance levels, and wait for momentum shifts. Buy when smart money is moving in. Sell when they're taking profits. Never trade based on FOMO, because that's when you end up holding a losing trade while everyone else leaves the party. A pip is a tiny movement in currency price, short for percentage and point. Imagine it as a grain of rice. One pip isn't much, but pile up enough pips and suddenly you've got a feast. Pro tip, always know the pip value for your trade. Don't just guess. A pip here, a pip there, and you're either laughing or crying. A lot is the size of your trade. Standard lot, 100,000 units. Mini lot, 10,000 units. Micro lot, 1,000 units. Brokers let you trade smaller lots with leverage, so you don't need millions to start. But leverage is like a double-edged sword. It can magnify profits and losses. Handle with care. The spread is your entry fee, the difference between what the broker buys and sells a currency for. Imagine going to the airport to exchange money. They give you less than your calculation. That's the spread. In trading, the smaller your spread, the better. Bid. What buyers are willing to pay? Ask. What sellers want? The difference? The spread. Think of it as haggling at a market. The bid's low, the ask's high, and you're stuck in the middle. Paying attention to the fine print keeps you from losing cash. Traders have their own language. Long EUR USD. Bought it. Short GBP JPY. Sold it. Stop loss hit. Cried a little drawdown. Cried a lot. Learn it, love it, but don't let it scare you. Once you know the lingo, you sound smart even if you're just starting out. Orders aren't just buy or sell. Market order, execute now, limit order, wait for a better price, stop order, protect yourself from disasters, cheat sheet, market, now, limit, patience, stop, insurance. Start with a demo account. It's like playing SimCity with money. You get real charts, real market conditions, but no stress when things go south. Once you consistently win on demo, you can cautiously step into real trading. Start small, stay disciplined. Yes, but don't quit your day job tomorrow. Forex can create wealth, but only with skill, discipline, and a good strategy. Treat it like a marathon, not a lottery ticket. The goal, consistent profits, not gambling. That's your crash course on Forex. From pips to spreads, lots to orders, and trading like a pro without losing your cool. This is Nova Cap, where capital meets performance, teaching you to think smart, trade smarter, and maybe laugh a little along the way. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's turn small pips into big gains.